Hello boys and girls, day 147. Testing out new camera today so that I can record even when the weather is bad. Feel great, feel fine. Still haven't come up with a new system yet. Getting there. Today we're gonna do full jumping rope and the exercises from the past couple of days. Still no squats and no running. I want to ease in and I want to do it correctly, and because I haven't done yet the updated program, I just don't want to push too hard back again. Let's do the exercises for today.
Everyone trying to block me, ain't no stopping, no. Now I'm by the blow, gone like adios. Started with $1 and a dream, turned me to a goat. Got big goals I'm achieving. Come to get it, I ain't fucking finished. Ain't nobody seeing me leaving. Don't hit me up when I'm in a meeting. This big business, I've been with it. A big boss in a Beamer. In that 750, my feet up in the backseat and I'm rolling. Ride around like it's stolen. Coming for the gold, no joking. Ain't nobody really want smoke with me. Unless y'all really wanna end it all, then y'all better not send me off. Tell them all they better get up off me. It's all wins, I never lost. Say something, yeah. Tell them I'm here, I need that pot to go. Everyone trying to block me, ain't no stopping, no. Now I'm by the blow, gone like adios. Started with $1 and a dream, turned me to a goat.
And we're finished for the day. Feel great. 10 minutes jumping rope, the legs were on fire by the end of it. But it's like riding a bicycle by now. It gets very familiar very quickly. Anyway, feel good. Feel better that the exercises are ramping up a little bit, because it was getting a bit too easy for a second there. For now, once again, next couple of days I'm gonna figure out the new timetable, the new workout planning, and we're gonna switch to that. Trained yesterday, trained today, we'll train tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye!